Hi, hello everybody. So my name is Titiksha Gupta. I have done my law from Institute of Law, Nama University. It was a 5-year integrated course, and I completed it, or I passed out in the year 2017. After that, for 1 year almost, I worked in a small law firm, and for the firm for 2 years almost, I was working as a junior advocate. No, so I started my preparation basically in 2019, ending 2019 ending for the SO. The first attempt was of the Specialist Officer Law IBPS Scale 1, but unfortunately I was not able to get through the main final list. So the second attempt, or you can say the second paper I gave, was RRB Law. Because of the corona, there were no paper for almost 6 months. So I gave my paper for RRB because I just became eligible that month itself. So I decided to sit for the this paper. Study material as such, there is no study material, but there are few things that can be done. First of all, let us see, there are 6 subjects that we have to deal. First is English, second is computer, third is English or Hindi, I mean, then the computer, then law, then maths, then reasoning, and GK. Now the first thing is English. For I attempted, see, there is an option, either you can take English or Hindi. I took English because I was comfortable with that language. Take in whichever language you're comfortable with. Now for English, I can say read newspaper, read the Hindu, that cliche thing will work. Start jotting down the vocabulary part. Then even if you're not comfortable with it and you want कि यार मेरे को थोड़ा सा ऑनलाइन कोई चाहिए सपोर्ट के लिए, यू कैन गो फॉर मॉक्स और यू कैन गो फॉर द Nimisha ma'am YouTube channel. So that will be enough. Then for the computer, I would say I didn't read any book. Whatever online material was available of Oliver Board, then practice mock, then under 24/7 I just downloaded it and start reading it randomly, and then I gave few mocks for the computer. Now mocks कहाँ से आएंगे? Practice mock, I am a follower of practice mock, and I'm a fan of that. Those mocks, you can say. What I used to do is RRB clerk or RRB PO में भी computer आती है. Start buying those mocks, start giving them. Not only for computer but for the other subjects too. Then GK, the famous affair cloud. It's the best source. You'll find almost everything out there. At least for the current, I can say read like 6 months current GK. Get yourself very much equipped with 6 months current GK. This year there was a lot of questions. There were actually a lot of questions from the financial GK also. Now what happened is कि for the financial GK we weren't prepared, but for the future I am telling you, prepare yourself for the financial GK. There are various sources जिसमें ना static financial GK होती है. For example, RBI का पिक्चर में आया, किस कमेटी से आया, then जो भी financial institution है, XZM हो गया, SEBI हो गया, then DICGIC हो गया. Even in interview sometimes they ask these questions from these institutions. Then all those योजनाज, at least during the Modi tenure, जो भी इम्पॉर्टेंट योजना आई है, या एब्रीवेशंस, जो बैंकिंग टर्म्स के एब्रीवेशन होते हैं, नेफ्ट हो गया, फिर RTGS हो गया. अगर वो करंट में है तो जस्ट गेट थ्रू दोज थिंग्स, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. देन फॉर द मैथ्स एंड रीजनिंग आई डील विद इट कंबाइनली. First thing first, people are really afraid of maths and reasoning, especially in law. I mean, when I was preparing, I had to talk with a lot of people. They were very intelligent, they were very good, but when it comes to maths, they were like, यार नहीं होता है. और ऐसा नहीं था कि वो कर नहीं सकते, इट इज़ जस्ट दैट वो इतना डरते थे. और अब क्यों डरते थे? बिकॉज यू हैव नो प्रैक्टिस. अब इन आवर प्रोफेशन मैथ्स इज बेसिकली हैज़ नो रोल टू प्ले. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू कॉम्पिटिशन, इफ़ यू इग्नोर SO, except that in everything there is maths. In everything there is math. So what I'll do is, what you should do, and I also did it, start practicing maths. Abhi bahut time hai, it's just February. Then after a few months, I think the next paper is in September. You have a lot of time. Start practicing maths from today, because अगर maths और reasoning नहीं है ना, you won't be able to clear RRB. सेक्शन में रुक जाओगे, टोटल में निकल गए तो. and it's not just sufficient to get the cutoff marks. In RRB, at least I can say you should be at least 10 to 15 marks above the cutoff to make through the final list for a short selection. So what I'll suggest you, study maths and reasoning. First thing, conceptual. First thing is like concept पढ़ना है, then come the practice. तो concept के लिए what I did was I started with Sumit sir videos. He's very good, he teaches very good, he'll tell you a lot of shortcuts. Start applying them. वो जो भी बोल रहे हैं उनको सुनो, उनको करो. You can practice R.S. Agarwal after that. If you don't want to go for that lengthy book of R.S. Agarwal, what you can do is start giving mocks. आजकल ऑनलाइन इतने मॉक्स हैं, अड्डा के मॉक्स हैं, प्रैक्टिस मॉक के मॉक्स हैं, ऑलिव बोर्ड के मॉक्स हैं, टेक्स्ट बुक के मॉक्स हैं, एग्जाम भी प्रोवाइड्स यू फ्री मॉक्स. सो व्हाट यू कैन डू, स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग हार्ड क्वेश्चन. इजी क्वेश्चन मत सोचो बहुत हार्ड नहीं आएगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. प्री के भी करो, मेंस के भी करो. इफ व्हाट विल हैपन इज, एक बार जो करने लगोगे ना तो डर खुल जाएगा. So start doing those mocks. It is very important that you do those mocks, you complete those mocks, study hard, and you yourself will see within 1 month you are very much confident about those things. Second thing is reasoning. For reasoning, for the conceptual part, go for Ankush Lamba videos. He is really good. He provides you कि कैसे solve करना है, क्या देखना होता है, how to make short notes for the puzzles. बट एंड सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट, डू नॉट बी अफ्रेड ऑफ पजल्स. ऐसा नहीं सोचना है कि 40 में से 20 नंबर का पजल आएगा, 20 नंबर का मिसलेनियस आएगा, सो आई विल गो फॉर दोज 20 मिसलेनियस. बिकॉज लेट मी टेल यू, nowadays what they do is miscellaneous, they ask the question which are time taking, और उसमें ना LR भी आ जाती है. So you can never be sure about your LR answers because we are not in that much practice for the LR. So it's better you go for puzzles. I also attempted almost 3 puzzles in the paper because I knew कि अगर मैंने ये कर लिया, so I know that my half work is done then and there. क्योंकि लॉ और GK 2 सब्जेक्ट है ना, सब पढ़ के आते हैं, सबके नंबर होते हैं. तो what makes you different? Why will you get selected? Because you know the rest 2 subjects जो किसी को नहीं आ रहे. So get your hands on those subjects. It's very important. It is not that hard. Just start practicing. It just requires 2 months of diligent practice to crack it. Secondly, I never suggest anybody taking an offline coaching because I myself did that mistake. It just wastes your time. Go for online coachings. Offline coachings are only helpful when you have doubts because it's very easy to ask doubts. In online, it is not. Even if I don't think for the law thing you need a coaching. Just go for free online YouTube videos. Otherwise, you can take a month of an academy subscription and start reading from those things just to get hand towards your maths, reasoning, and GK and English. Because for the law, you will not find any good law sources. Till now, at least, I was not able to get through any law, good channel of law. Because most of them teaches you judiciary and not these banking exams. And for judiciary, it is thoda different than the banking exam. So I will never suggest you to go for any offline coaching or online coachings. Just see those YouTube free videos, 1 घंटे 40-45 minutes के होते हैं, देखो, start उनसे practice करो. The key to success is work hard and work smart. There is no shortcut to success. ऐसा नहीं है कि if you are smart enough, so बिना पढ़े हो जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं है, if you are hardworking and not smart, you will be able to clear it. Maintain a balance between both the things. Then the next thing is once you sit for the interview, almost in a month your result will be out, and then there will be interviews. Like this year the interviews were I think within like 20 days or so. Now for the interview there are few key points that remember. First, wear your confidence. If you are confident, nobody will stop you, nobody can stop you. If you're confident, confidence will fetch you marks. बहुत लोग पूछते फेल करते हैं, ये करते हैं, वो करते हैं. Generally they do not fail anybody. There are few examples which I have seen that they fail, but I don't know on what respect they have been failed, because sometimes there are document issues. So they might allow you to sit in the interview, but they will not give you result because of the lack of any document, or maybe if you're rude to those people, or if you are not able to answer anything. But I generally have never seen them failing people. So डू नॉट वरी, वो दे विल नेवर फेल यू, दे विल गिव यू मिनिमम 8 मार्क्स जो रिक्वायर्ड होते हैं, ठीक है. तो फर्स्ट इज़ योर कॉन्फिडेंस, वेयर इट. सेकेंड इज ड्रेस कोड. When I started it and when I was about to go for the interview, क्या पहनना है, कैसे पहनना है भाई, कोई ड्रेस कोड नहीं होता है. यू कैन वेयर एनीथिंग विच इज़ फॉर्मल एंड डिसेंट, नथिंग ब्लिंगी. कीप योर सेल्फ एज सिंपल एज यू कैन. Wear a decent, you can wear your advocate's uniform, no problem. If you are not comfortable with it and you're like, I don't want to wear it, it's okay. You can wear anything which is formal. You can wear suits, or you can even wear sari if you're comfortable with it. So there is no as such thumb rule that you have to wear this only. You can wear whatever you wish like, but it should be simple, it should be neat and clean, properly ironed. Try and keep your hair as clean as you can, because it's not that you will get anything extra, but it just give a positive image to the interviewer कि यार बंदा serious है, ऐसे मुंह उठा के नहीं आया है, he or she is serious for the job. Because what happen is, you are first of all, you're going for the experienced job, so they expect you to be a little mature for this position. So yeah, your dress is really important. Third thing is preparation part. First of all, try and prepare few acts. मतलब nowadays on Telegram you'll see यार थोड़ा interview questions मिल जाते हैं, तो कुछ जो acts जैसे RTI, SARFAESI, DRT, then TPA, contracts is very important, then negotiable instrument, then IBC. These are few acts जिसमें से almost TPA and all, they always ask questions, especially TPA. So just read important clauses of that. You do not have to read the whole act for the interview. But जैसे TPA है तो मॉर्गेज क्या होता है, कितने टाइप के मॉर्गेजेस होते हैं, बैंक कौन सा मॉर्गेज लेता है, या बैंक किस मॉर्गेज के लिए कंफर्टेबल होता है. सक्सेशन एक्ट में से देयर आर क्वेश्चंस, few practical questions maybe they can ask. From NI generally the question are from 138 and those कितना interim compensation होगा, और वो सारे questions होते हैं. Then the jurisdiction questions are asked. So yeah, get your hands on these small things. Then the thing is, try and practice before you sit for the interview for your own confidence and for few HR questions. For example, you can sit in the front of mirror, or you can ask any of your friend, give him or her the list and ask कि भाई तुमसे question पूछो, and you sit in front of him or her and question answer round करो, because that person will tell you कि what is the problem with you, कि तुम फ्लुएंसी पे नहीं हो या तुम कुछ गलती कर रहे हो, इस टाइप से. सेकेंडली लैंग्वेज. नाउ देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ कन्फ्यूजन कि RRB है तो इंग्लिश लेना है या हिंदी लेना है. आई विल टेल यू वन थिंग वेरी क्लियरली, गो फॉर द लैंग्वेज इन विच यू आर कंफर्टेबल. अगर इंग्लिश में कंफर्टेबल हो तो इंग्लिश लो, हिंदी में हो तो हिंदी लो, उनको कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है. बट द ओनली पॉइंट इज़ यू शुड बी फ्लुएंट. अगर कम्युनिकेशन गैप रहेगा ना तो कॉन्फिडेंस लो लगता है. सो जस्ट बी फ्लुएंट विथ योर लैंग्वेज. उनको कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है कि तुम किस में दे रहे हो, क्योंकि दे आर जस्ट चेकिंग योर नॉलेज. बट फ्लुएंसी शोज योर कॉन्फिडेंस. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. देन द थिंग इज़ द क्वेश्चन दैट वर आस्क्ड फ्रॉम मी. पहला तो उन्होंने मुझसे 138 का जुरिस्डिक्शन वगैरह पूछा था, क्योंकि मेरी प्रैक्टिस उसमें थी. फिर उसमें कितना कॉम्पनसेशन है वो मुझसे पूछा गया था. देन द क्वेश्चंस वर फ्रॉम द SARFAESI एंड ऑल दो SARFAESI क्वेश्चंस. देन देयर वाज क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम अ फ्यू स्टेट लॉज पे क्वेश्चन एंड अ स्टैम्प ड्यूटी. सो ये बेसिक चीज़ें हैं, इनको तैयार करके जाना है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. गुड नंबर ऑफ अटैम्प्ट्स, ऐसा कोई गुड नंबर ऑफ अटैम्प्ट्स नहीं होता है. पेपर हार्ड है, सबके लिए हार्ड है, ईजी है, सबके लिए ईजी है. एक्यूरेसी मेंटेन करने की कोशिश करना है, फालतू तुक्के नहीं लगाने हैं, क्योंकि अगर पेपर हार्ड है तो कम में भी सिलेक्शन होगा, और ईजी है तो ज़्यादा में भी नहीं होगा. सो डू नॉट पैनिक ऑन दी कि कितना है. ट्राई एंड ब्रिंग अराउंड 70-80 से लेकर 100 के बीच में अगर स्कोर है, यू आर सेफ इनफ. माई सजेशन फॉर द न्यू एस्पिरेंट्स विल बी, और दिस ईयर अपेयरिंग एस्पिरेंट्स विल बी, focus on your weaknesses right now because you have time, and then लॉ वगैरह पढ़ना, अच्छे से पढ़ना है, बेयर एक्स पढ़ने हैं, मैथ्स रीजनिंग अच्छे से करना, बिकॉज दे विल फेच योर मार्क. कॉन्फिडेंस रहना है. पेपर से पहले मॉक्स लगाने हैं, GBO के मॉक्स लगाने शुरू कर देना. लाइक 1 महीने पहले अड्डा 24/7 पे GBO के मॉक्स होते हैं. उससे क्या होगा कि एटलीस्ट लॉ के अलावा वाले सब्जेक्ट्स तुम प्रिपेयर कर लोगे. सी कहाँ स्टैंड कर रहे हो, कहाँ गलतियाँ कर रहे हो. मॉक्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो डू दैट. get yourself equipped well before, and yes, you are good to go. Bye.